Hello and welcome to the Isurus drum video blog. It's going to be a series of videos that I'm going to do over the next few weeks where I talk about my equipment, what it all does and how I use it. So basically this first video is just going to be an introduction to the series, and I'm just going to really briefly talk about the gear that I currently have. So previously I used an acoustic drum kit. Debut album Telos was actually recorded using a Drum Workshop collector's kit. And then over the last 12 months I decided to move to an electronic drum kit. The main reason for that was the amount of control that it provides over your sound when you're recording. So basically when I play a drum beat in an electronic kit, I can then go in afterwards and change the actual drum sounds to better suit the song or any specific guitar sound. I can basically match it to the song and have a lot more control after I've actually played the beat. So basically at the moment I currently have a 6-piece Jabeki electronic drum kit. That's just the shells, and then I have Roland electronic cymbals, and all of those triggers, they then go into a Roland TD20 drum module. So no sounds actually come out of that module though, so I'm not using any of the sounds in the module. It's purely used as a trigger to MIDI interface. I chose it basically because it's low latency and it gives a lot of different parameters and settings that you can change to change the way that the pad actually senses what you're playing on it. So it's very tweakable and it just works. It's low latency and it's good. And then basically that sends MIDI data into our sound card, which is an M-Audio Delta 1010 sound card. And then that triggers the drum samples out of Superior Drummer 2. I'm going to go into each of those components in a lot more depth over the next few videos, but for now that's just the basic signal chain that I use at the moment. So there'll be more to come. I'm going to play the kit, I'm going to show you how it sounds, I'm going to talk about latency, I'm going to talk about buffer settings, a lot of geeky stuff to come. Hopefully there's people out there that will find it quite interesting. I'm going to talk about pretty much everything in depth about my kit and how I use it. So thanks for watching, and there'll be more to come.